Are you ready to revolutionize your AI interactions? Want to learn the secrets of writing powerful prompts? Today, I'm giving away my exclusive ebook on prompt engineering absolutely free. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As an experienced prompt engineer, I have discovered the art of interacting AI's full potential. Now I'm sharing my expertise with you. But what drove me to create this ebook? I started as a curious enthusiast experimenting with AI models. Through trial and error, I developed a systematic approach to prompt engineering. Now I want to share that knowledge with you. To get instant access, head over to expertprompt.com. Within seconds, a pop up will appear. Like this. Simply enter your email address and you'll get the free access to my ebook. Let's take a sneak peek at what is inside. Mastering prompt structure, advanced organization techniques, optimizing AI output, quizzes, assignments, practice prompts, scenarios, use cases, and much more. Don't miss out. Visit expertprompt.com now and elevate your AI game. Share your thoughts on the ebook in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.